Hello, this is the trade site Forex market preview and international economic data roadmap for the week beginning Sunday, the 20th of August, and ending Friday, the 25th, 2017. Hope you had a good trading week. Here's a look at the dollar index daily chart. Been dead flat for the last couple of weeks. We are definitely in summer August doldrums. Bad ranges, bad everything. That's why we're half size. Let's go through everything real quick and we'll look at the economic data coming out this week and get a plan. Here's the euro dollar. Not much there either. Obviously, usually the inverse of the dollar index itself. Here's the pound. Look at that, 5 days in a row. Monday was a little bit of a move down and then just as dead flat as it could be. When you see the intraday action, you're going to laugh. Aussie's been flat for a while. Pound yen dipped a little bit this week. Euro yen mostly flat. New Zealand dollar flat. So it was just a really bad week. This is why we go down to half size this time of year. All right, let's take a look at the ranges intra-week. So the euro dollar has 180 pips for the whole week, but Monday was the one that we moved down. If you take out Monday, you've got about 100 pips total the rest of the week. So it was really, really, really contained and boring. And again, the pound, Monday headed a little bit down, and Tuesday was the big day. But then look at that. From Tuesday on, we're literally stuck in an 80 pip range on the pound for the rest of the week. So not much to do when the ranges are that narrow and very, very, very choppy on top of it. All right, let's take a look at economic data that's coming out this week. Sunday, visitor arrivals out of New Zealand, Rightmove housing price index out of the UK, credit card spending out of New Zealand, all industries activity out of Japan Monday at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Time, wholesale sales out of Canada, CB leading index out of Australia. Already to Tuesday, look at that, almost no data, and we go straight to Tuesday. Switzerland's trade balance, UK public sector net borrowing, zoo economic sentiment out of Europe and Germany, CBI industrial order expectations out of the UK, core retail sales out of Canada, CB leading index out of China, HPI, this is the housing price index out of the US at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, Richmond manufacturing index out of the US at 10 a.m., flash manufacturing PMI out of Japan. And then we've got the already into Wednesday, we've got French, German, and the broad European flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI numbers. Same thing out of the U.S. at 9:45 a.m. Consumer confidence out of Europe, new home sales out of the U.S., crude oil inventories, that's the weekly number. This is one of the shortest weeks for economic data. New Zealand trade balance that night. We're already into Thursday. UK's got their second look at GDP and the CBI realized sales. Canada, corporate profits, unemployment rate out of the U.S. Our unemployment claims out of the U.S. That's the weekly number. That's not the unemployment rate. Existing home sales here, mortgage delinquencies here, natty gas storage. That's the weekly number. Then you jump to Japan's CPI, Tokyo's CPI, and then on Friday, just a few more numbers. German final GDP, core durable goods out of the U.S., and that's it. We are done for the week. Amazing. What a very, very, very small amount of data we're putting out this week. So none of our big three, nothing major to move the markets. You're just going to have to bank on something happening on its own accord, and that's not always a big bet here in August. So we'll be half size and just see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.